I'm here with Mark Duncan, and we're going to have a chat a bit about his workshops and also what Google are doing in the region at the moment. Can you tell me a bit more about the Google Chrome workbook and what's happening in the region with that at the moment?
Yeah, certainly. So Google Education is becoming more and more popular in the region. It was predominantly used to be a Microsoft region, but now Google is expanding across all GCC countries. Google Chromebooks are becoming more and more popular as well. On average, there's 30,000 Chromebook devices enabled in schools every day. So there's over, I think now, 25 million students using Chromebooks. And we're seeing that shift now moving into the Middle East, with more and more countries having the option to purchase them. The prices are coming down for Chromebooks as well, and I think schools are really starting to see the benefits of the Google device.
So in terms of the devices, I guess the rise is because the affordability, that they're working well within the curriculums that are here and that they're easy to use in the classroom?
Yeah, definitely. And our core focus is always about improving teaching and learning with a device. So sometimes devices are used for the wrong reasons in a classroom. So it's very important that you are adapting it to your course, you're adapting it to your platform, for example, G Suite. And I think it's just a very popular tool because we're seeing an extension of not just the basic tools of using word processing tools in the classroom. It's about video recording, cloud-based computing, so it's accessible anytime, anywhere for students, and that's really important for this region, especially in areas where there isn't great internet access. Sometimes the infrastructure in schools isn't great, so therefore this gives them the option to work not only in school but outside of the school gates as well.
And you're doing a series of workshops for us each day here. Do you want to tell me a bit more about those?
Yeah, certainly. So the one I'm talking about today is actually Google Education becoming a one-to-one school, like a practical guide. It's to help educators think about, actually, if I want to go to a one-to-one school, so every student has a device in their hands and takes it home with them, what are the policies I can put in place, what's the training that's required for staff, what do I need to do with my IT administrators to ensure that our policies are set up on devices too. I'm also talking about VR as well, so I've talked about Google Expeditions and VR as well as AR as well. So staff can now create their own AR experiences within the classroom. They can map out a classroom and bring the classroom to life, which is a really powerful tool too.
And what do you hope would be one of the bright ideas or main learning outcomes from one of the sessions that you'd like teachers to take away?
I think it's staff to just take the first step. I think there's, certainly with technology, there's this fear from staff that things are going to go wrong, it's not going to work for them. And when you've got 30 students sitting in front of you, of course, it's always going to be a worry. But I think students are willing to try out these new technology features, and it's about giving it a go, training your staff to ensure that they feel comfortable with the devices. And fingers crossed, we'll see, an improvement in the region of how technology is being used in the classroom.
And what have you enjoyed about GESS so far?
I love GESS because it's a fantastic opportunity to meet people who we work with in the industry, meet loads of educators who have such bright ideas of how it's used in the classroom. Every day I'm here, I learn something new. Every talk I go to, I learn something new from somebody. So it's just great to see these bright minds actually having a voice and sharing it with other people in the region, because I truly believe that the Middle East, we're only in the initial stages still when it comes to technology, and I think there's so much growth and better use of technology. I think we're really going to see that boom in the next few years.